Yo, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be talking about why your CPU is just going absolutely bonkers, over 100% or getting really close to it at least, and what you can do in the meantime to fix it until you can get a better computer. So if you guys are ready, let's jump right into it. But you're saying, what can you do about high CPU problems? Get a better computer. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's all it is, fam. Get a better computer. In the meantime, what you can do is, melodies are the most CPU intensive thing because the VST instruments that you load with them are very CPU intensive. Also, if you put any effects like reverbs, delays, anything like that, any other effects on top of them, you're stacking plugins and it's just becoming a beast of a CPU thing. So when you finish with your melody, when you're like, okay, it sounds good, I don't need to change it anymore, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on your track. So you can see right here, you got different tracks. You're going to click on it, you can right click and you can go freeze track. And it's going to freeze the track. Okay? And then when you flatten it, hold on, let's duplicate this, because I don't want to freeze both of them. Okay, so now I'm going to flatten only one of them. And I'm going to unfreeze this one. So the one that we flattened, now you'll see the MIDI is gone. It turned it into an audio file now. So now it's an audio file instead of being MIDI. And since it's an audio file instead of MIDI, it's not going to take up like any CPU, fam. The MIDI is going to take up the CPU because the MIDI has all the effects and the instrument on it. But the audio file turns that into, so that's what you're going to want to do. Once you make your melodies and you're finished with them, flatten them out into audio. So freeze and then flatten. So I can actually show you the CPU difference between these two. So this nice little CPU indicator right here. So let's see. Let's do this one. This one's the flattened one. So this one shouldn't be anything. Let's just say this is low CPU. And this one's going to be high CPU. All right. Now watch the bars right below these right here. Look at this. You see the high CPU one? Watch that. 3 bars. 3 bars. 4 bars of CPU. 3 bars of CPU, bro. Okay? The one that we didn't freeze and flatten has 3 bars of CPU. That takes up a lot of CPU, but the one that we just flattened has 0. It doesn't have any. So there you go. That's how you save the CPU. And you literally got to do that when you have a shitty computer, because instruments just take up a lot of CPU, and that's just how it is. So that's the main thing. Your drums and stuff are more than likely going to be samples like this, like I have, which are already flattened WAV files. So you're good to go there. It's the powerhouse VST instruments that take up a lot. Let's turn the CPU thing on and we'll look at all the tracks. And you'll notice that these are the 3 that lit up. And these are all the instruments. Okay? And if we look at any of the drums, let's see if any of the drums make any color. Look at nothing. Nothing. No CPU, so the only thing taking up CPU is the instrument that's playing. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, so that's it. Super simple. Just freeze and flatten those heavy CPU intensive tracks and you'll be all set until you can get a better computer. But anyways guys, thank you for watching this one all the way to the end. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're uploading bangers like this all the time and you're not going to want to miss out on them. Besides that, guys, if you want to check us out on Instagram, catch us over there. We're posting content. And we got a Discord where everybody's collaborating, having fun, and sharing free drum packs and samples and stuff like that. So if you want to join that, description in the below this video. Yeah, I just said that. But anyways, guys, I'll leave you there. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.